Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This is completely dedicated for a writing section, and the topic for this video is going to be story writing. Story writing is an art itself. To write a story, one must have clear plot in his mind. While writing a story, you must know how to arrange the characters, and also all the incidents must be properly sequenced. They must have proper arrangement, and also some interesting facts and twists and turns are required to make the story so interesting that it takes everyone's attention. One thing must also be taken care of, that story writing is basically there for understanding in a single sitting. So everything whatever the story writer wants to convey must be in a direct manner. There should be clarity of the thoughts and incidents. There must not be any gap. I'm going to explain you with some more PDFs which is going to help you out while solving this particular section. This is quite important in most of the classes, and even in further life of ours and further career, it is going to be useful for you. So look at this video carefully.
Let's watch this PDF now and go through it. So here we go with the topic key elements for story. So a short story has 5 key elements. First one is characters. A short story has few characters. Then setting, time frame and place constitutes setting of short stories is a real important part, because setting the time frame and place is really an important thing. Now, plot as simple as and as interesting as possible. Conflict, it is the struggle between two sides of the theme of the story. Conflict can be between characters, emotions, beliefs or thoughts. It gives life to short stories. Last point is theme. This is the central idea or the main belief of the story in the theme. Every word of the story should be written related to the theme. As a student, you will either be given opening line or an outline of the plot. You will be required to build the outline or the theme provided into a full-fledged story, which must be complete. You should try to make it as interesting as possible. Now, let's directly begin, because I have told you the key elements. Now, let's begin with a sample story writing, which I will show you how to solve. Means this will be the solved one. Then I'll give you one question which will be there for you to solve for your practice. Now let's begin. This is the sample story writing. Given below is an outline of the story given in the form of the phrases. Fill in the blanks to create the complete story. So let's go to this. Son falls into bad company, disobeys his parents, loses interest in studies. Father decides to bring the son back to the right path, gives him a few apples, places a rotten apple among the good ones. After a few days, the good apples also become rotten. Son understands that one rotten apple spoils all the apples, tries to mend his ways, gets transformed. Morale. So these are the things. Now you need to solve this question based upon this outline. Let's try to solve it. I am showing you one solution. Your solution might differ from this, but it must be following the similar thing which I am going to show you. Firstly, we need to give a topic. This topic selected by me is a rotten apple spoils the whole barrel. Now let's go with the answer and try to make a full-fledged story. Once there was a man whose son fell into bad company. Under the influence of his friends, he got into some bad habits. He started disobeying his parents. He would waste his time watching TV, with the result that his grades in the school came down and he even flunked in one or two subjects. His father grew worried and decided to teach his son a lesson. He gave a few apples to his son. He then quietly, silently, placed a rotten apple among the good ones. After a few days, when the son was about to take out an apple from the basket, he found that all the apples were rotten. He asked his father the reason for this. His father pointed out that he had deliberately placed one rotten apple in the basket. His son was surprised to see that the rotten apple, which was only one in number, had spoiled the entire lot. He now understood the reason for his downfall. He thanked his father for making him realize his mistake and his choice of friends. He immediately left their company and was transformed into a new individual. And at the end, we must give a moral to the story. So, moral selected by me for the story is, person is known by the company he keeps. So, you also keep company of good persons and good friends. That will raise your bar. That will help you to raise up your grades and also to become a successful human being later on. Now, let me give you one question which will be practiced by you. So, this question will be solved by you. This is, we can say, like your homework, and you will try to solve it. There can be ample of ways. There can be different stories written by you. There can be many other options to write this. But it must follow the proper rule which I have just taught you. So, let's read out the question for you. Given below is an outline of the story, given in the form of phrases. Fill in the blanks to create the complete story. Aruna started to write a story for her school magazine but could not finish it due to some reason. Complete the story on the basis of the beginning given below in at least 150 words. Once there was a hard-working farmer in a village. He had 4 young sons. All 4 of them were very lazy. They slept the entire day and fought with each other. Now you need to continue and complete the story and try to make it an interesting one with a positive morale. Now this work is provided to you by me, Engineer Pratik Srivastava sir.
Thank you so much everyone. I hope that you all must have learned how to write a good story. I'm expecting the best outcome after watching this video and hope that you will get the maximum marks you can score in this particular section of your exam. Thank you so much. Keep subscribed and wait for the next videos. Thank you.